In the bustling city of Metropolis lived a young man named Ethan. He was a talented musician with dreams of sharing his melodies with the world. Inspired by the rhythm of life, he composed music that touched the souls of many. One day, his music caught the attention of a renowned music producer, Olivia, who promised to launch his career to new heights. Overwhelmed by excitement, Ethan put all his faith in Olivia. He believed she held the key to his success. Days turned into weeks, and Olivia seemed to be making good on her promises. But just when things were looking up, disaster struck. Olivia disappeared without a trace, leaving Ethan broken-hearted and disillusioned. Alone and uncertain, Ethan found solace in the advice of an elderly street artist, Marcus. As they painted the city with colors and shared stories, Ethan learned a valuable lesson. Never depend upon one person. Marcus revealed his own tale of shattered dreams and how he had risen from the ashes by collaborating with fellow artists, understanding the strength of interdependence. Embracing this wisdom, Ethan reached out to fellow musicians and formed a band. Together, they created harmonies that resonated with the hearts of listeners. Their synergy was magical, and their fame spread like wildfire. The experience taught Ethan that leaning on the support of others not only enhanced his art, but also alleviated the burdens of life. As the years passed, Ethan's fame grew, and he found himself sharing the stage with the best musicians. Reflecting on his journey, he realized that relying on others was not a sign of weakness, but a testament to the power of unity. He never forgot the lesson Marcus taught him, that life's challenges are best faced hand in hand with others. So, in the tapestry of life, every thread plays a crucial role. Just like Ethan, we must understand that true strength lies in leaning on others during tough times. The world may throw obstacles at us, but with the support and interdependence of our fellow humans, we can overcome anything. Together, we can create symphonies of success, and each person's unique contribution weaves a richer and more harmonious life for us all.